Welcome to another episode of Tinkercad Code Blocks 3D tutorial. Today we're going to make a chariot car. I'm going to name my project as car. For this I'm going to create two objects. I'm taking an object, going to shapes, then round rope. So for the round rope I'm not having any modifications in there, so I have to use a scale, taking my scale, taking move, rescaling its value, x-axis by 5, y-axis by 1.5, z-axis by 3, and moving it to 15 units above the plane. Then I need the box, taking one box. I want it as a transparent object. I'm going to cut the piece out of the round rope. So the size of the box I'm modifying it to 25 cross 50 cross 18, and my edges will be 5. So I need to move it. Take one move in x-axis by 15, z-axis by 17. I need another box, so I'm duplicating this, putting it below. The size of this will be 25 cross 50 cross 25. My object will be placed in x-axis minus 15, y-axis it will be 22. And I'm going to create one object out of the 3 shapes I have taken. So I will get something like this. So I have made the outline of my car. Or I'm going to take one cylinder, put it here, and the radius will be 5, its height will be 1. Go to modifications, I'm going to use the move and the rotate. I'm going to move it in x-axis by minus 25, y-axis by 10, and z-axis by 23. And I'm going to rotate it in y-axis at an angle of 70 degrees. So I'm creating an steering for my car. Let's speed up the process. Oh, I have put my radius to 1. I want the radius to be 5. Okay, now let's create wheels. For wheels, I'm taking a new object, going to shapes, taking a cylinder. I want the radius of the cylinder to be 10, height to be 33. Then I needed to modify them. So take a rotate, take a move, rotating it in x-axis by 90 degrees, move it in x-axis by 35. Then I need a copy of this, just duplicate this, put it down, changing the color to black, and changing the second object color to white, changing the radius to 5, changing the height to 34, and everything will be the same. And now I'm also duplicating this once again, putting it down, changing the value to 35, changing the color to black, and everything will be the same. So we need 2 wheels for our car. I have created one wheel. I'm just creating a group here, copying the above group object, moving it from the point where it is created. So I have to move it minus 70. Then my wheel should be at the ends of the 2 sides. So I'm going to take a box, put it inside. I'm going to modify it to a size of, this will be 100, this is a random size, length will be 20, and height will be 10. It is a transparent object. Go to your modifications, move by minus 5, take a create group, and I'm creating a group. So let's see what it can make. My body of the car, my window, my driver seat, my steering, my wheels. I got my wheels, my car. Okay, I can modify this to 3. So it will give me the silver frame of my wheels. Yes. Copying the wheel, putting it, creating an empty object. Oh, I have moved 50. I have to move only 5. It's done. If you like the video, press the like button, put your feedback in comment box, share the video. Let's see you in next video.